What's up, everyone? Welcome back at Tom Yum Lichin Show. I got guests here. Hello po, good evening.
Hello po, good evening.
How are you?
I'm good
How tall are you?
po.
How tall are you? Height mo.
5'6",
Are you half foreigner?
half Espanyol po.
We all have Espanyol blood. I like your eyes. Oh, ang ganda naman
Thank
yung
you.
mata mo. It's brown? Brown color. Oh. Can you turn around? Show them how sexy you are.
Ay, lilikod ba?
Hindi, tayo ka lang, B. Tapos turn around. Turn around. No one gonna think she's a lady boy, yo. Do you pretend as a transgender?
Yes po.
Nagpe-pretend ka?
Ay, hindi po.
You don't?
No, I don't. I don't pretend.
There's foreigner like you. Do you go to walking street?
No,
You don't?
I don't.
Because
I'm scared.
of
Natatakot ako sa maraming tao eh.
you scared of a lot of people?
Opo.
Why? You scared surrounded by a lot of people? Bakit?
May nababalitaan po kasi kung may nabubugbog dyan eh.
Sa walking street?
Yes.
She said she heard rumors that someone get in trouble. If you're a bad person, you will get in trouble. If you're not doing something bad to them, you can get in trouble.
Kasi pag trip ka nila, baka pag tripan ka nila.
If they want to punch you, I don't think they will do that because it has polyester. You never tried?
I never.
Do you have boyfriend?
No.
Do you take hormones?
No. I don't take hormones.
Really? How
Yeah.
come you got this nice skin?
Feminine lang talaga ako.
Feminine? For real, you don't take hormones? Patingin nga.
Props lang.
Props lang pala. It's a prank! What's your hobby? Beside blowjob.
Ano
Hobby
bang
mo?
hobby ko?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Wala akong hobby.
Wala kang hobby? Wala kang gustong ginagawa? Like cooking?
Magkanta na lang siguro. Ganun.
You know
Ay,
how
hindi.
to sing?
Sumayaw.
Sumayaw tayo. Ganyan.
Yeah.
You love dancing?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Ano nga? Tawag dito sample. Do you know how to cook?
Yung mga prito-prito lang.
Just fried.
Yeah.
Fried egg. Fried dried
Hot
fish.
dog.
Hot dog like that.
Yeah.
You should know how to cook. Naniwala akong kasabihan pag pag binusog mo yung ano yun? Nawala na sa you should know how to cook, diba? Kasi it's good. Do you know how to wash clothes?
Yes.
You do wash clothes?
Opo. Naglalaba akong mga damit.
Just your clothes or your parents' clothes too?
Damit ko lang po.
Are you still studying?
Yes.
What grade are you in?
11.
What you want to become?
Accountant.
Oh, that's good. So your parents has money?
My father.
He has money?
Yeah.
What is the job?
Piansador.
Piansador.
Bands mo. Isa City Hall.
He working at City Hall?
Yeah.
Alam ng tatay mo dito.
Hindi. Wala naman siyang Facebook.
He don't have Facebook?
IG lang yung meron.
Instagram? He don't have Facebook but he has Instagram. Oh,
Ayaw niya sa Facebook eh. Mga bad influence daw yung mga nakikita niya.
sa Facebook? Okay. Your dad accept who you are?
Yes.
She has pretty transgender.
Yeah. Proud siya sa akin.
He's proud of you. That's good. He never tell you to be a basketball player?
No. Tanggap niya kung anong gusto kong gawin.
Oh, okay, that's good of him. Mostly he's working because here at Philippines, diba? If you got a nice job or or you working in a city hall or you're a police, they're shame of you if you're transgender. Not all, the shame of their son or if they saw it. Diba, yung iba, ayaw nila yung anak nila na bakla.
Binubugbog nila ganun.
Oh, they punch them, something like that. Not all, maybe most if you got a better job, they don't accept who you are. You want to be a accountant? That's good. So your dad has a good job. What's your mom do in life?
Housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
3.
3. All girls?
3 girls.
Sana all. Who's panganay ka?
Pangalawa.
You're the second. Oh, okay, sana all. Are you planning to have your own child?
Yes, of course.
So it means you're going to marry a woman to get her pregnant.
No, I don't want married a woman.
But you want to try woman too?
No.
To sleep with?
If ever, kung halimbawa yumaman ako,
If ever you get rich?
gagayahin ko yung sa
Yung sa
kay,
TikTok?
Yung kay Apensionado, yung may-ari nun.
A surrogate?
Yeah.
Or adopt? Oh, but you
No,
want
I
to
don't-
get surrogate? Surrogate by your own sperm and transfer it to woman?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Good luck. Sana yumaman ka. Kaya you're
Yes.
gonna be in the future, you want to be a accountant. Go for it. And I hope you study hard and keep them, pay back your parents, especially your dad, kasi he accept you and he's supporting you. What you need, diba? And he don't treat you like other father treat their transgender son. Pay them back. And if you really want to achieve it, study hard. Do you have boyfriend?
No. Since birth, always single.
Why?
Natatakot lang ako. Ganun.
You're scared too to have boyfriend?
Yeah. Natatakot ako masaktan.
You scared to get hurt? That's part of life. That you gonna get hurt. Kasi kung hindi ka masaktan, robot ka. Ellie. I hope you got self-confidence or courage yourself that try or experience other things. Hindi mo kailangan matakot na matakot. Kasi paano mo masusubukan na kaya mo? Diba?
Balang araw din.
Okay, sana. What about in school? Are you afraid to in a school? In the school? Tatakot ka din doon?
Hindi.
Kasi maraming tao yun. Sabi mo, you scared lot of sa walking street.
Yeah.
Okay. Akala ko sa school.
Kasi sa school naman, kilala ko na yung halos mga nag-aaral.
Oh, you know a lot of people. Is it private school or
semi-private?
what do you mean semi-private?
Half public, half private.
Oh, okay. Where are you? In a private room or what? Private, diba? Kasi paano mo naman tinawag na semi-private yun, B?
Minsan nasa aircon ka, minsan wala.
So, semi-private na yun. Kasi ibang school naman may aircon, kahit public school, it has aircon, right? But, it's free, right? Pag high school ka pa lang, free pa naman. Except sa subject, sa project. Diba?
Iba na yung sa amin. Senior high na kami, iba yung sa high school.
Okay. But it's still free.
Yes.
Walang tuition.
Wala.
Kasi public school eh. Okay. But only for aircon. That's why you called it semi-private. Okay. Are you still virgin?
Yes.
Are you afraid to have sex too?
Maybe.
Do you watch porn?
No. Ay, oo, minsan. Pag yung may mga viral.
No, I mean Pornhub.
No. Only viral video.
I want you to tell me the truth. Do you get horny?
Sometimes.
What do you do if you're horny?
Nothing.
Oh, okay, that's good. You don't masturbate?
No.
Kasi kailangan mo magpalabas ng similya mo eh.
Naiyak sa sarili ko, I'm shy.
If you masturbate,
Yeah, I'm shy.
shy type. Pero kanina doon sa labas, di ka nahiya, no?
Hindi naman.
Okay. Because you don't have experience with, if, if you had chance to have sex, any foreigner or Filipino guys, would you do it?
Yes.
For free?
No.
What's your ideal man? What's your type of man?
Tall. Ay, matangkad.
Yeah, tall,
Malaki yung katawan.
big muscles.
Yeah.
What else? Handsome?
May, sakto lang. Maybe.
Maybe handsome. Tall and good muscle, tordal. White or dark skin?
Moreno.
That's good. Dark daw. Not that dark. I don't know what they call it.
Brown. Like brown.
Brown color. Okay, that's good. What's your favorite food? Dishes that you like?
Like, yung ulam, gano'n. Adobo.
Have you been any other places like province?
Yes.
Where?
Sambales.
What about Visayas?
Bicol.
What did you do there?
Nagbakasyon, vacation.
Who you have family there, relatives?
Relatives.
Your mom's side?
Yeah.
Are you pure Kapampangan, di ba? No, kasi you got Bicol.
Kapampangan of Tagalog.
Your mom is Bicol. That's not Tagalog,
Hindi
di ba?
hindi ko na nakasanayan yung Bicolano.
If you see Bisaya people, what's your expression?
Nothing.
Because some people, they judge Bisaya.
I'm not like them.
Okay, that's good. Kasi I'm not gonna fight you. I'm gonna punch you if you like Bisaya. Joke lang. Ay, nako. If you had chance to live other places, would you live Pampanga? To live in other places like Metro Manila, Bicol? If you had chance, if ever,
Province sa Bicol.
you would live in province?
Yes.
It's fresh, right?
Yes.
That's good. And my sister said you can just plant vegetables there or onion because onion here at Philippines is so expensive. Okay, what's your name again? Name?
Shell Castro.
Shell Castro? 5 years from now, are you still virgin?
Yes.
You think so? 5 years from now?
I don't think so.
When do you want to have your first sex? What age will it be?
I don't know.
You don't know. Maybe tomorrow you're not virgin na.
I hope.
You hope not.
I'm kidding.
I don't think you are. Oh my God. Do you know how to sing? No, you don't know how to sing. Do you know any American singer
Justin Bieber.
beside him? Who else?
Oh my God. Charlie Puth.
Mm.
Sino pa ba? Ay, nakalimutan ko na yung mga pangalan.
Are you planning to have boobs?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I don't know.
You don't know if you really want it.
Yeah.
What about your gender? Do you want to have vagina or no?
If ever I had my own baby.
Okay. If you had your baby, your own child, will you change your gender into a woman?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's good luck. I hope before you do it, make sure you can get baby first by your own sperm, huh? All right. Thank you for
Thank you
being
so
here
much.
at Samyang Lechon Show. Babush. Thank you, be. Bye-bye.